Hi viewers, I'm Asma and you are watching your own art channel Virtuoso palette. Today I have brought another series of paintings that is on different kinds of silhouettes as they are based on colors through symbols. So let's go to look, watch and observe. I have brought a series of 4 paintings on silhouettes through colors. For this painting, I have chosen blue that represents the healing nature of water and the power of stormy seas. It's a color of bravery and dedication. I'm filling primary blue in the soccer player on my mini canvas by Virtuoso palette. I believe a player in the field is trained enough to control the imbalances of his own self and gather his energies to utilize them on his performance. So this painting symbolizes harmony of a soccer player connected to the ball on a grassy ground. But first I will add more tones of blue in this silhouette, revealing its depth of sincerity, wisdom and confidence for the actions. I am giving small wavy effect with a blend of primary blue, magenta and black as waves in the ocean. Now I'm blending them with a lighter tone. I've only added a bit of white in it. The dark blue which I prepared with primary blue, magenta and black. Now adding a little white, I have prepared a lighter tone and I'm blending it around the dark one. I'm giving some more dark and light tones of blue around the first application of waves.
The figure and the ball both have the same strokes, same colors. More layers of blues and blending inside the stencil. Now I'm using white for the highlights. Now it's time to take off the stencil to work on the background of the soccer player, and I will block his figure using the double stencil, adding a few strokes where I feel they are needed. Now you can see, viewers, that I have blocked the player's figure along with the ball. The background color I have chosen is green, a color that is associated with nature, representing growth and renewal, a symbol to go ahead, giving an association with taking action. The tone of green is prepared with cadmium yellow and primary blue. I have added more blue where you are noticing the dark tones. There's more yellow in the lighter tones. Now viewers, using a fan brush, I am giving it some grassy effect, having more yellow on the right part of my mini canvas and a darker tone I intend to give on the left. More blues and blending it with the first layer. It's almost time to bring the young player into the light and I will bring the edges, fixing them with green color, blending the strokes. The ball also needs to be fixed a little on the edges. Viewers, it's an association, a link of colors, as you can call it a double exposure. Viewers, I'll be waiting for your comments on this version of paintings by Virtuoso palette. See you in the next video soon. Bye.
Viewers, hope you enjoyed the combination of colors. So, see you in the next video. Don't forget to watch, subscribe, comment, and share. See you.